Hello everyone, today we'll go over how to copy data up to UpCloud. We created an S3 bucket in UpCloud, and now we'll go and configure GS RichCopy 360 Enterprise to copy the data. First, we create a job, so we right click and say create a new job. We'll select choose a copy cloud storage. Now we give the job a name, copy to cloud. We select the source folder, so the source folder in this case is going to be a local drive. You could actually choose another cloud provider to copy from. In this case, we're going to keep it to a local disk just for simplicity. Browse to the folder we want to copy to. And we're going to go ahead and select S3 compatible storage for where it says destination. Now, before we browse, we're going to create an account. We're going to basically key in the account with access to the S3 bucket with UpCloud. So you click on the plus sign. Now we give that UpCloud credentials and a label, a name. So UpCloud access. Now we want to go in and get the secret ID key. We've got already those downloaded from UpCloud. And then we specify the password. Now we want to specify the S3 endpoint. The S3 endpoint, we get that from the UpCloud itself, from the portal. I'll show you how to get it from the portal. Go right here, and we go in and we specify S3 API access. In this case, we're using a public endpoint. So we're going to click copy, and we go in here and we paste it. Now you go in and you're going to click on test to make sure your credentials work. Successful, click save. Now we can go in and browse the destination. This is basically displaying anything that we have in the S3 buckets. If we had multiple ones, we'll display all of them. In this case, this is a blank one, so we're going to click bucket test, click OK, and we're going to copy changes only. You can select any other options you want to use. We're going to be using 4 threads. You can do more than 4 threads. You can do up to 255 threads. However, you want to be careful and use exactly what your system has in terms of logical cores. Click Save. Now that we've created the job, we can kick the job off. Right-click and click Start. Now the job is queued. And if you click where it says queued, you will be able to, it should momentarily switch to running, and then you can look at the progress. This job has 12 files in it. It has copied 7 files so far, and it's processing the rest of the files as we see. We have 4 threads, so we see the 4 threads that are going. The job is at 98%, and it should be complete. Once it's successful, it should say successful here. That means it did not encounter any errors. Click close, and we're done. Now let's just go over a couple more things in the job that you can modify if you wanted to. To modify a job, you just double click on it. You can run the job at specific times, so you can schedule it. You can say repeat schedule, set the schedule. You can say repeat every 2 minutes throughout the day. If you want to run the job as a service, then it will run in the background. That means the application does not have to be open, nor that you have to be logged onto the machine. It will just run in the background. If you wanted to copy from UpCloud, let's say restore data, you can basically go into where it says source, select S3 cloud storage, compatible storage, and we can actually use the same account settings since we saved it in the library. It's saved here, we can reuse that. And if we go in and click browse, we will see the data that we copied. So we can select OK, and we can copy that data down, and we can specify a different location, and we can save it to the C drive. Hopefully this video is informative to you, and let us know if you have any other questions, and download GS RichCopy 360 Enterprise to test it out. Thank you and have a good day.